Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. The good news is the ground is froze. At least the top part of it is. It's a good thing. Got to get rid of this mud. Animals could do better if they weren't standing in water. They walk across the top of the hard ground, get under their straw, keep warm. So this is good news for me. Bad news, of course, is the water is freezing. But we'll deal with that. This would be better for the animals. Look at the lane there. Looks like it's dry. It's froze dry. So it might be a good day after all. See if she starts. Well, that's good. It's been sitting here for a while. Hasn't been started. It's cold this morning. See? It's frozen. Let it run for a while. Hopefully that stays froze so we can drive around, knock the mud out of the tires. It's back up at the shop where it belongs. Good morning, girls. Okay, she's ran for a little while. All warmed up. Melting off the hood there. There's still a frozen sea. A frozen steering wheel. Oh, whoa, it's cold. Well, if I drive fast enough, I should be able to knock some of the mud off. Wait till I get off the gravel first. There we go. Mission accomplished. Yeah, I'll take the fruit bin back down here and next to the wood pile. We need to cut some more firewood. It's frozen out here, but it feels warmer than it did when it was damp yesterday. Okay, we got the bin dropped off. I'll have to sit back up on that pallet. The bin is a bad bin. The bottom was broken off of it, so put it back on the pallet, stack the wood in it, bring it back up to the house. Well, good. I got it back up here where it belongs. Well, look at that. The sun's trying to come out. I see blue. Well, the sun came out and melted the ice real quick, and the ground is a little mushy again. That didn't take very long. Now the sun's coming back away. Dang, Doodle, you can't ride now. There'll be nice. The food's coming. Be patient. Here it is. The game of who's going to get the grain. If you need a piglet, I have some. Make you a trade. But everybody's fed. Petunia is wearing hay. All the babies left Harold after they ate most of his grain. Well, the chicken's been fed, and I was able to get in there and get the eggs. There's quite a few. I broke one on the way out. Accidentally hit it. What do you have now? You eat manure or what? Came from the manure pile. That's all I have for right now. It's still really too wet out here to do any other farm work. I'm taking care of the animals. I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.